some important sleep health news. A new study is showing that the rate of melatonin poisoning is increasing in children. This makes sense because we already know that adults on average are taking huge quantities of melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that helps control the body's sleep cycle, and these days it's become a very popular over-the-counter sleeping aid. In fact, melatonin is so popular that it's currently the top-selling sleep ingredient. But all of this comes at a price. Unfortunately, many parents don't understand that melatonin can cause overdoses. And look, keep in mind, we still don't know all the side effects of excessive melatonin use in children. We know that excess amounts of melatonin can cause hormonal problems and even affect puberty. The best tip here is the lower the dose, the better it is for your little kiddo. And in other headline news, the British Broadcasting Corporation, the BBC, is asking all the right questions. Do we fart more as we get older? So this is what I want you to know. Some of the reasons behind why it seems that older people are passing more gas include a slower digestive system. This increases the amount of gas in our system. And of course, being on certain medications can also cause more flatulence. So all of these things combined can give into the illusion that older people are farting too much. To all my coffee drinkers out there, here's some huge news. A new study shows that people who drink about 1.5 to about 3.5 cups of coffee per day were less likely to die than those who drink no coffee. Researchers studied coffee consumption and collected data from the UK Biobank. They looked at demographic information, lifestyle, and dietary information. Well, the data, it's incredible. The data showed that people who drink either decaffeinated or caffeinated coffee lived longer. In the case of this study, it was over 30%. The cool thing here is that this is just one more study that's adding to our understanding of the hidden benefits of coffee. We know that black coffee offers protection against diabetes. We also know, that coffee does not increase our risk of cancer. Just remember, folks, with caffeine comes calories. Don't overdo it with too many sugars and too many heavy creams. And try to keep your coffee consumption below 400 milligrams of caffeine a day. That's going to be around 4 to 5 cups of coffee a day. Oh, and something that I tell my patients with high anxiety is you got to be extra careful with how much caffeine you drink. And before we wrap up, I want you to know this. High fatty foods can lead to pancreatic cancer. I want you to be careful. And second, I want you to know that the air quality at the gym may be more likely to spread COVID. And this is a simple thing because you're doing a lot of huffing and puffing at the gym, and COVID is airborne. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm Dr. Puja for Health Stuff to Know.